Hey guys, Simon Bungate here, and we've got the inverted vegan up on the hip thruster machine. This is a new piece of chalk and it's so good for building the glutes. I use it with a lot of my clients and also my athletes. I really like it for building that power through the glutes, and for those that really struggle to activate the glutes when doing a squat, this is 100% the piece for you. I'm going to go through a heap of variations you can use on this machine right now. Start off with the basic hip thrust, so not using any resistance. And you see I'll put you in a really good position where you can just really use the hip and not have to do anything with the knees. So we're just going to drop the hips down a little bit lower, set it up, drive up to the top, and then make sure the abs are the thing that stop you from hyperextending. Then you can go to single leg to make it a little bit more difficult. Then you're going to engage a little bit more of the core, and then obviously have to work that glute a little bit harder. So really important that you keep those hips as square as you can. Drive up, don't let the knee collapse. Now we've got the band attachment on there, and what this is really good for is it's a little bit easier at the bottom, but when it gets to the top, you can really squeeze the glutes because you've got more resistance from the band. Okay, so now we've loaded up with the bar, we've got 40 kilos on here, and of course that's going to create so much more force through that hip, where now you've got to really generate the force through the glutes, drive up, and really they're going to work really hard just to hold at the top. What I like to do with my athletes is add the eccentric pressure, so I'll put some pressure down, 3, 2, 1, drive up, 3, 2, 1, drive up, 3, 2, 1, drive up, and then you're just getting so many more gains out of that. That's the hip thruster. Thanks to Emma, she was awesome. That's just a few of the variations on this bad boy. We can do so much more, and if you want any more information on it, just reach out to Chalk Strength. You can check it out more, chalkstrength.com.au.
That's a wrap.